Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the MeetMe app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. MeetMe. Meet Chat and Go Live is a social networking and live streaming app designed to help users meet new people, chat, and share live video content. It blends elements of dating, entertainment, and casual socializing in one place. The platform is available on both Android and iOS and appeals to users who enjoy chatting or watching live streams in real time. In day-to-day use, many users enjoy the variety of features that MeetMe offers. The app's interface is straightforward, allowing quick profile setup and easy access to chats and live broadcasts. The Go Live feature is especially popular. It lets users stream themselves, showcase talents, or just connect casually with an audience. Viewers can interact through messages and send virtual gifts, which adds an engaging, community-like feel. On the positive side, MeetMe's large user base increases the chances of finding people nearby or from different parts of the world. The combination of chat and live interaction keeps the app lively, and its relaxed format appeals to those looking for quick and easy social connections without long registration processes. However, there are some consistent drawbacks. Users often report the presence of bots, fake accounts, and spam messages, which can make genuine conversations harder to find. While the app is free, several key features, such as advanced filters, ad removal, and premium gifts, are locked behind paid subscriptions. Some also note that live streams may lag or disconnect depending on device performance. Additionally, privacy and moderation concerns have been raised, as account bans and reports don't always receive clear resolutions. In summary, MeetMe may be worth trying if you're looking for a casual way to meet new people or enjoy live streaming. But if you value verified profiles, strong moderation, or meaningful long-term connections, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.